Alright, what's up YouTube? This is Little Momo, and today I'm going to be doing no burping challenge with drinking sparkling water, strawberry and cucumber. I already did it. I'm in my mom's bathroom, so ignore the background and my chest. Except for this, I like this a lot. Alright, let's go. Alright, it's alright. Now I'm gonna burp. Oh, I can't. Okay, I can't burp. Well, looks like I successfully passed the challenge. Alright. My stomach hurts a lot. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time. I think I did good, by the way. I think I did pretty good, sorry, for my first video on this channel. So, yeah, thank you.